What's up everyone? Today I got a parcel from Japan, and this is the latest one from warehouse company. So now I'm gonna unboxing this item. So now I got two items. The first one is overalls, jeans and jacket. So first I will take this out. We go for jeans first. So this is very lightweight, single pocket, jeans bag, salvage ID, there's no hidden rivet here. There's no salvage ID. There's no coin pocket here. As usual, this only 3 pocket, 1, 2 and 3 at the back. They have 4 pocket available in the website at the moment. If you want 4 pocket, you can get from website. I have 2 pocket at the back, but I choose 1 pocket to look more classic and vintage. There's the button, salvage fly here, made in Japan. This is only 11 ounce, size 31, and the leg opening is about 10. Non-salvage here and only one side here. Single stitch.